Alright, hi guys. Today I'm going to talk about three types of FUE hair transplant haircuts. There are three main types of haircuts: shave, partial, and no shaven. Okay, so let's talk about shaving method first. The shaving method is shaving the entire head. It can be advantageous for the surgical team and allows for more accurate hair density assessment. Patient must maintain a closely cropped hairstyle, which can be inconvenient for daily life and may cause some discomfort as the transplanted hair is visible until it grows out. Second method is the partial haircut. A partial haircut involves cutting only a specific area of the hair. Two common methods of partial haircut are box cut and two-block hair technique. The box cut hairstyle is primarily favored by women, but it does have the drawback of requiring more shaving if a large amount of hair needs to be removed. My preferred method in this situation is a line cut, which involves shaving some hair in the middle, just the middle, and pushing the surrounding hair down to create better coverage. Two-block hairstyle, which involves shaving the back of the head, is most commonly used by men to achieve a specific hairstyle. Third one is the non-shaven method. Non-shaven is the most discreet way to transplant hair, and there are three main methods of harvesting. First one is the pre-cutting only the hair to be harvested. This one is the most commonly used method among doctors. This method has the advantage of allowing for a clean collection of the tissue around the hair follicle without interference from the blade of the punch. Although a partial incision is made, the hair surrounding the collection site remains untouched, making it challenging to detect any evidence of the collection in the occipital region, even immediately after the procedure. The second non-shaving method is to use a punch blade to cut the hair directly during collection without prior trimming. By pinning the hair to be harvested and cutting it off with the skin tissue, the process is expedited and all desired hair is collected. However, aiming the blade at the center of longer hair is more difficult and can potentially damage the follicle. Additionally, the blade dulls quickly when cutting through tougher hair, requiring mid-cut sharpening. The third option is collecting the hair without cutting. Some people call this long hair FUE. The third and final option is to use a specialized blade to trim the hair without removing it completely. This is also commonly known as hair sculpting or long hair FUE. Long hair FUE, it is advantageous for hair transplant procedures such as eyebrows and sideburns to be able to easily determine the direction of the hair follicle's curl. Additionally, the ability to immediately cover the transplant post-surgery is another benefit. The long hair FUE also has disadvantages. One drawback is the relatively high likelihood of graft falling out, with most falling out approximately 3 weeks post-surgery, making it less practical to plant long hair initially. Therefore, we do not recommend harvesting long hair as it can cause unnecessary stress to the hair follicle. Even if the hair is cut and the curl of the hair follicle can still be seen under high magnification loupe. During the process of harvesting long hair, the hair portion of the hair follicle is secured to the skin tissue, while the upper portion is entwined within the hair shaft and rotated from side to side. A fragile follicle or excessive torsion can lead to damage. However, there is potential for hair transplant to look more natural. So, I am closely monitoring any advancements and equipment or technology. I look forward to sharing this development with you in the future. Okay, that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us through email or you can write on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.